Welcome back. Hope you had a nice day yesterday. I know sometimes Wednesdays are a nice day to relax, a little extra relaxation. Hopefully, you found a place to read a really good book and add to your genre chart. Okay, today is Thursday, so we're in Unit 2. Remember, our characters develop relationships. Week 1 and day 4. Right, and today you'll notice from the picture on my screen, we're working out of the My Word Study book. And our focus article is an interactive text called The Ant and the Dove. It's on page 13. So if you can go ahead, pause this video if you need to grab your book, and then turn to page 13. All right, so we have a couple focuses for our reading today. We are going to focus on R controlled vowels, and we're going to take a look at the moral of the story. And how does this moral connect to what we just read? Okay, so before we start reading, I'm going to challenge you to circle 2 R controlled vowels. Okay, but hold on. The first 2 that you are going to circle have AR, so R, like in car. So find 2 words that make that R sound. Feel free to pause the video. You're just going to underline or circle these words. And then the next 2 words that you are going to underline or circle make the OR sound. So OR, okay, as in the words for, or, more. Okay, so that OR combination. Okay, feel free to pause the video if you want more time to circle or underline those words. All right, then we are going to read this text 2 times today. I'm going to read it once and you'll follow along. Then you'll read it one more time to yourself. Okay, so it's called The Ant and the Dove. One day, a thirsty ant went to the river to drink. The rushing river caught the ant and was about to sweep it away. A dove, perched in a tree, saw the ant struggling against the current. The kind dove did not waste a moment. She tore a large leaf from a branch and dropped it into the water next to the ant. The ant climbed onto the leaf and floated safely to shore. A short time later, a man came along with a net. The smart ant knew at once that the man was planning to catch the gentle dove. The ant bit the man hard on the foot and he dropped the net. He cried out in pain. The noise scared the dove, and she flew away without harm. So the moral of the story is one good turn deserves another. All right, and that moral is what we're going to write about in the space underneath our reading today. What do you think the moral means? How is it connected to the story, The Ant and the Dove? All right. Now, again, this is an assignment that you're not turning in on Schoology, but it is one you'll turn in when we get back to school. Okay, so read it one more time to yourself. Feel free to underline, write questions, pay attention to the details that will help you answer the question. And then in the space provided, you're going to explain the moral of the story. What does the moral mean and how is it connected to what we just read?